and you are watching Optimistic Kids. I'm gonna show you how to make a flower in our tablet. So let's get started. Welcome back, friends. This is my tablet screen, and now I'm gonna show you how to make a flower. This is handwriting Nemo. So let's get started. And I press plus so you can get a page here. So friends, I will draw a flower. I'm gonna use brown first. Brown is a roots and a stem. So friends, okay, I'm gonna draw it. Look at how silly these roots are. And then I'll put a stem. And then I pick a green color for the leaves. I don't need fruits, guys. So it's gonna be very super silly. Oops, I just blocked it. Don't worry, let me try it again. That's not like it. Okay, which color should I make? Red or purple? Too small. Try again. Okay. This must be the size of the flower. Okay, let's color it now. Now I'm gonna draw these so it's gonna look like a flower. Okay, this side. Now it look like a flower. But wait, are we missing something? Yeah, we're missing a sun. Sun is yellow. See, I'm gonna draw the biggest sun ever. But that won't be silly, guys. Keep coloring it, keep coloring it, keep coloring it. Now to add a lines, so it actually will look like a sun. Nearly done. Okay, now I'm gonna save it. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And see you next time. Bye!